vlog for today is we're finally going to start working on the Jeep project. How you guys know, I used to have a Chevy Tahoe last year, but I ended up getting rid of that. It was just a gasler, and I was able to get a new vehicle. It's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I've been doing little small mods and stuff. I did buy that from Copart. It was in a minor accident in front, so all that got addressed. It just needs paint. But I actually got some new wheels for it because I'm gonna start doing, basically fixing that. I'm gonna be fixing the Jeep project because I want to go out and eventually take it out in the desert and go off-roading, and eventually take out that thing to the desert too. So these are the new wheels. We just picked them up yesterday. You can see these are the new wheels we just got for the Jeep project. We got some SRT 20s, basically called Spider Monkeys. Two of the tires are pretty bad, but we're gonna be installing them, see how they look. So this is it, guys. This is a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x4 Limited. This is technically what replaced the Chevy Tahoe project I had last year. Overall, I love this thing. I did pick this up in Copart. If you guys can see the difference here, color match parts. This did have a front end accident on this side, but it wasn't that bad. But I ended up replacing the whole front bumper, the headlight and fender, and I got it picked up in OEM hood because it did get dent in that corner and by the driver's side. But overall, no airbag deployment, anything like that. I did already upgrade the tow hooks down there. If you guys can see, that looks really badass. I do plan on switching those headlights to the sea light ones, which the upper higher models have. But yeah, so these are the wheels it carries right now. We're about to see how the other wheels I have for it look. If you guys saw my last clip, we did go pick up some SRT wheels. Super nice. Alright guys, so we're finally done installing them. Now I'm gonna roll out the truck so you guys can check them out.